30% of everybody is priced out of good food now. So completely priced out of good food. Good food is irrelevant to their lives because they cannot afford it. In the work that I've been doing for the last 17 years or so, I've come across a handful of people, particularly in deprived settings, who are eating 5 a day. A handful. And even then I might doubt whether they're doing it or not. Norm is 1 or 2 vegetables a day if you're lucky to get to that. And that's because it's expensive, but also you have to be able to cook. Over 60% of everyone, regardless of whether they've got money or not, never cooks from scratch. Ever, ever, ever.
We've created an enterprise called Well-Fed. So it's an enterprise between ourselves, partners, Flintshire County Council, Can Cook and Clothing Allen Housing Association. So we've created Well-Fed because for us, the passion from Well-Fed is that everyone's entitled to good, fresh food, everybody. So we're able to create the food and then we're able to then support people at reduced costs. The kitchens, everything's now cooked in Shotton. So from my point of view, we've been able to use Well-Fed and we can feed. We've done 2 holiday hungers, so back in 18 and 19 over the 6-week summer holidays. Prior to the payment scheme coming in COVID, we were able to feed children at play schemes a hot meal every day over those 2 years, over the 6 weeks summer holidays. So that was helping with holiday hunger. And then over Christmas and every other holiday, we make sure that families and individuals receive meals, and certainly over Christmas we give Christmas dinner boxes. So having that kitchen there is fabulous, and we want to be making sure that we're using the shortest food miles as well. So the circular economy, using local suppliers, so everything, the shortest food chain, so everything goes to Shotton.
One of the challenges in and around poverty is if you're in a crisis, the thing that you need most is a meal. Without the meal, you don't function properly. If you don't function properly, you can't get yourself out the hole. And so what happens mostly when people are in a food crisis is that they may rely on food banks. Food banks give you products, not meals, and they don't go together as meals. And so in reality, 50% of everything given out by a food bank goes back in the bin even though people are hungry, because it can't be eaten. Now, food banks are doing an amazing job of what they're trying to do, because they mobilise volunteers and so on, but it's not dealing with the nutritional issue of people being hungry. And so we've worked really hard to flip that around, because the squeeze middle, for instance, let's go right deep into the cost of living crisis that we've got right now. If that starts to touch, say, 30%, it's about this far away from touching 50%. Now, they reckon people in deprived areas, 50% of everyone in a deprived area have really cut back on fruit and veg. And so they're going more to the ultra-processed. And so we're forcing people, through most of the time no fault of their own, to eat the worst food that a modern society can pump out just because they're poor. What we're trying to do is counter that, to make sure that they get to eat well all of the time.
Due to the cost of living, we are experiencing now families who wouldn't ever have come to ourselves for support. The squeeze middle, people who are working, so they're not entitled to it, so they're just over. Yeah, unfortunately. So we're able to support them with fresh meals, and we've got a food store, so we are able to support them. Instead of going to a food bank, we've got a Well-Fed food store, so they can receive 4 weeks for free support food, and then it's 4 weeks at £10 and 4 weeks at £15. And in the meantime, also looking at how can we maximise their income.
We have an alternative to a food bank. We call it the food store. We deliver door to door and do 12 weeks worth of support. You have 4 weeks free, £40 worth of food each week, all meals plus staples. 4 weeks free, 4 weeks at £10, 4 weeks at £15.
So it's all about sustainability as well, isn't it? Going to a food bank, albeit they're able to receive food, which is great, they don't have a choice on the food that they eat. And the sustainability, they're only allowed a certain amount of food bank vouchers, where Well-Fed, they can come to us for 12 weeks, so they know for that 12-week period, although there is an element where they'll need to pay, there's sustainability there that they can receive that. But unfortunately, we're receiving requests from residents that we would never have probably had contact with before, so that's increased.
We're not a charity, and charities do good work, but we're not a charity. We're a social business. There has to be commercial first, and then how it uses its profits is the most important thing. But as a charity, you know, charities are great to respond to the crisis, but they should never be seen as a solution.